All right, sixth grade, we're here talking about Chapter 25, I Strike the Jolly Roger. Now, when we last left Jim, he had made his way on board the Hispaniola and had lost his only means of escape. He had gotten Ben Gunn's little coracle run over by the Hispaniola, and as such is stranded on the boat with potentially two pirates. And he's there, and the first thing he notices is the sails aren't properly set up. They're hanging loose, they're flapping all over the place. The pirates have not been taking good care of the ship. He looks around and he sees it's a mess. And he notices two pirates. One of them is slumped, his arms outstretched like this, his expression unchanging as the ship rolls back and forth. And the other, Israel Hands, is slouched up against the deck, and with each turn, slouches a little lower, and lower, and lower, and lower. And with that, Jim realizes that eventually he sees the bloodstains on the deck, and he sees how the one guy, like this, is not changing. And he realizes, ooh, that guy's dead. And he gets hopeful that maybe these two drunken pirates have killed each other. But he's not so lucky because he hears Israel Hands groan. So he knows Israel Hands is, in fact, alive. And he walks over to Israel Hands and tells him to wake up. Wow, Jim, great plan. And to which Israel Hands responds, brandy. He wants alcohol. He wants more alcohol. He wants more to drink. The dude is still hungover. And he was passed out drunk after murdering a guy, but he wants more to drink. And Jim goes. Jim gets himself some breakfast from the ship's mess. He notices that the doctor's books have been ripped apart for pipe lighters. The ship's a mess. There's mud stains everywhere. Bottles are broken everywhere. Everything's been broken into. The pirates really live like pigs, and they've had the ship for basically less than 3 days. And they've already trashed the place. But he gives Israel Hands his brandy and tells him that I'm the captain now. I'm in charge. You're going to listen to me. And we can't have these colors. So he goes to strike the Jolly Roger. He takes down the skull and crossbones. And says, take that, Captain Silver. Israel Hands, still kind of drunk, tells him, here's the deal, Jim. I'll tell you how to sail this boat if you keep bringing me food and water and a handkerchief to bandage my wound. And Jim's like, shoot, I don't know how to sail a boat. This is a good deal. Jim takes him up on it and brings him it. But he notices a weird sort of smile on Israel Hands after he does those deliveries. So they start moving the ship. Now, here's my question for you. Can Israel Hands be trusted? Has Jim made a good decision? Will Jim safely maneuver the ship out of the pirates' hands? Or do you think Jim has led everyone into further danger? Go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And, poor Mr. O'Brien murdered by Israel Hands, who views it as unimportant because he was Irish. So we get a little racism in there from Israel Hands also. But he also says he wasn't a seaman, not like me. Israel Hands is, in fact, a good sailor. So, go ahead, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one, 6th grade.